Yeah, it's very nice facilities. I think what differentiates Olus Plus from, say, other companies that produces similar products. Nowadays, there are many companies that do not produce their own products that they would toll out to other companies. But for us, it's like from raw material right all the way to finished product, right? So the entire supply chain that is under Olus Plus, and that can assure the entire quality processes. Yeah.